It's early August in the Piedmont of North Carolina, and we're at a project here, a Streambank repair project that we installed live stakes on, as you can see here, back in February. And this was an engineered and permitted design where we wanted to get this stream away from this municipal sewer main. And before it was starting to impact that, we had a big steep slope here and it was eating back into the bank on this outside meander bend. And so we have an engineer permitted design, rock at the bottom. You can see the toe of the slope is armored in rock. And to stabilize this, we went with native plants, some of the live stakes. Let me show you what we have here. We have excellent growth on these. We have over 3 feet of growth on these, and you can see the kind of growth that we get. Silky willow, silky dogwood, and elderberry. You can see here's another, here's another. The difference at this site was we actually have some irrigation capability. I'm not sure if you can see the line here, but the Homeowners Association, we have a golf course over here to the right, so they have equipment available and they have interest from the homeowners. So they have come in and irrigated this several times a week, and you can see the difference that sunshine and a little irrigation make. So again, this is an excellent stand of live stakes, and we've got some great growth here. So this is really going to stabilize this bank.